Hard for me to say, but I think we got something that's going to give Jetboil a run for the money. This is the FireMaple Outdoor Kitchen. If you watch till the end, there's a 10% discount. You'll get this for half the price of Jetboil. Check this bad boy out. Being able to carry something easily like this in one bag is fantastic. Check this dude out. It comes with this little grip container with a handle that snaps out rather easily. Take the top off. Inside you have your stand. I always recommend people use these stands because a lot of people are getting burned when they don't, so make sure you use the stand. But it folds out. Each one of these legs snaps into place. Put it down on a flat surface. Now this piece is for extra pots. We'll look at it in just a minute. This is a fuel canister that I was using earlier. Here's the burner. It's got a ceramic igniter that you utilize with this button. It's worked exceptionally well for me. You have a regulator valve that you want to pull out before you place onto your fuel. You have a very familiar heat exchanger here. It's going to snap into place just like you're familiar if you're used to the Jetboil system. Pop it into place. Now everything is a unit that is stuck together. Inside you have both imperial and metric measurements for liquid. I love this sturdy handle, which serves to hold everything together when it's closed, but is a great handle you can grab hold of and make sure it stays stable while it's cooking, and then you can utilize that when you're eating or drinking from it. So this piece right here, pop the top off, set this inside the burner, and then you can set any pot you want to right on top of that and cook. So we have some water in there. Close it up real good. Keep it tight. Get this puppy started. One of the things I like about this is the variable output. You can lower or heighten the flame and its intensity with the valve. It's not just on or off. So in under 2 minutes, I should have boiling water. All right, check it out. We've already got boiling water at 1:15. That's quick. So now I'm gonna have my favorite campfire drink, spiced apple cider, favorite in the world. While I'm doing that, you should go pick up your own FireMaple outdoor cooking setup. Oh yeah. Come on, join in. Let's drink something around the campfire together.